Good afternoon, my name is Nathan Parks and behind me is a 2014 Cadillac XTS 6-door Federal Coach Limousine, 4-way clear strobes in the front grille, black with a dark gray stripe, silver Tuxedo vinyl top here, black pillars, rear tinted windows, the full 9 here. So you have 3-person seating here on a bench seat and another 3 here as well on a bench seat. Plenty of headroom for anyone over 6 foot tall. This is a traditional style 6-door limousine for the funeral industry. In the rear here, you do get a backup camera, including a full-size spare tire tucked away in the well. Jack and toolkit is also included in there. Third brake light, some LED tail lamps. Everything on the interior is black on black leather here, so very nicely outfitted. Everything is all dressed up. Interior-wise in the driver compartment, black leather as well. Power tilt and telescoping column, AM/FM radio, Bluetooth radio. It does have some hookups to charge your phone on top of it and remote start. So this is a very nice 93,000 mile limousine that we have here. I actually have a second one as well as a matching pair. Great way to get an XTS limousine for a low dollar figure. Give me a call, 800-229-5008. Could easily put a package price together, dye the top black or anything you're looking for. Thank you very much. Talk to you soon.